Well, hey guys, once again dealing with down trees and stuff after the ice storms from the last big round of that cold spell we had. So anyway, today's cleanup day. So you know me guys, let's get busy. So hey guys, fast forward quite a few weeks. We've had so much rain. So anyway, I am getting back on finishing up the project, which only requires me digging up the stump for the weeping willow. So I am very quickly, as you can see, just kidding, I am heading over to where the stump is, and we'll get that bad boy dug up and thrown on the burn pile. Guys, as you can see, the 35G made quick work of this stump, and glad to get this one done. I'll grab the tractor, get all this picked up, throw it on the burn pile, so we can mark this project done and move on to the next one. Guys, you know here at Project Next, there's always another one on that list. So guys, you know me, let's go get busy. We'll do some more. For right now, guys, please be sure and hit the like, share, and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And for now, we'll catch you on the next one.